Hindi halata. Sige, i-dedicate muna natin. Usually kasi, ang nag-witness ninyo is binabaptize. Sa Bible kasi, yung mga binabaptize, they are, yung mga may isip na, sa atin kasi, sa Bible, sabi sa 1 Samuel chapter 27 verse 28, sabi ni Hannah, nung hiningi niya si Samuel, yung kanyang anak, sabi niya, I asked him for this child and he gave me what I asked for. So I am dedicating him to the Lord. As long as he lives, he will belong to the Lord. Then they worship the Lord there. Ayun. So we are going to dedicate baby kasi wala pa siyang isip. And then kahit si Jesus, book of Luke chapter 2, dinala siya sa temple nung siya ay 8 days old. Okay? So, my dear friends, brothers and sisters, we're gathered